Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks, my friend. You have been using your toothpaste wrong your entire life. I'm going to show you a quick, easy, genius way to get more bang for your buck when it comes to toothpaste. Look at this thing right here. I mean, it's all crinkled up. I know you can get those things that you slide along the end, and then you're just going to save yourself some more toothpaste. But like, this is my kid's stuff right here. Let me know if your toothpaste looks like this. I'm guilty as well. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to get yourself one of these, and we're just going to open this one up for funsies. You are going to be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, why have I not been doing this my entire life? And this is what you're going to do. Once you've gotten that all in your container, by the way, I just picked this up at the Dollar Tree. It's not glass, so if your kids drop it on the ground or yourself in a nightly stupor, no need to worry. Now you can easily get the perfect amount on your toothbrush without the hassle of dealing with toothpaste tubes. My friend, if you enjoyed this video, click the video on screen now, which are some brilliant and clever toothpaste hacks. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.